Hello folks, this is Howard Reitzel from Invest Financial Corporation with a Financial Insights update for June 2014. In this month's video, we'll be talking about some of the events that moved markets in the second quarter of 2014. We'll also briefly discuss what might affect markets in the days and weeks ahead. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. After a slow start to the year, the stock market picked up steam and had a great second quarter. Several indices reached new records, and the S&P logged its longest quarterly rally since 1998. In the second quarter, the S&P 500 gained 4.7%, the Dow grew 2.2%, and the Nasdaq gained just under 5%. After a chilly winter tempered economic activity in the first quarter, the question on many people's minds was, did the economy do better in the second quarter? The answer is yes, definitely. The final GDP numbers for the first quarter of 2014 show that the economy shrank by 2.9% in the first 3 months of the year. Though that's a terrible number, we can chalk most of the weakness to bad weather and other seasonal factors that shouldn't affect future growth. While we don't have official data for the second quarter yet, some analysts are forecasting GDP, gross domestic product, growth of about 3%, which will do a lot to make up for a slow start to the year. The jobs pictures improved significantly in the second quarter. Nearly 500,000 total jobs were added in April and May, dropping the unemployment rate to 6.3%. Though we don't have June numbers yet, we hope that the healthy pace of hiring will continue. The labor market also passed an unofficial milestone in May when the economy finally recovered the 8.7 million jobs lost in the recession. Though we've still got a ways to go before we're back at healthy employment levels, it's good to pause and take stock of just how far we've come since the financial crisis. Geopolitical worries dogged investors last quarter when deteriorating security in Ukraine and Iraq caused natural gas and oil prices to spike. Neither situation has been resolved, and we're expecting continued price volatility in the coming weeks. Looking ahead, though, summer is often a slow time for trading. Investors may see some volatility around important economic data releases in the second quarter earnings season. So far, expectations are stronger for earnings in the second quarter, which we hope will support the current stock rally. However, if investors are disappointed by company performance, we might see a pullback as traders take profits. Inflation is also an issue that we're keeping an eye on. Rising food and fuel prices are on a 1-2 punch that may cause Americans to rein in their spending in the coming months. As always, we'll be monitoring the situation and keeping you updated. That's it for our Financial Insight update for June 2014. Once again, this is Howard Reitzel with Invest Financial Corporation, signing off for the month of June 2014. I hope you found this commentary interesting and informative. If you have any questions about what you've heard in this update, or would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please call me at 812-323-9200, extension 7571. I'd be happy to talk with you. Thank you.